Goldie, good day!
Well, today I heard that ang ating Goldilocks mashups is actually inspired by a popular street food in Japan. Pero syempre, it's gonna be made even better because ang gagawa is our kitchen magician na si Miss Joanne Kyle. Hello, Joanne. Goldie, good day.
Ohio, Lee.
Ohio.
You heard it right because today we're making okonomiyaki. And in Japanese, okonomiyaki means cook it the way you like it.
I see.
Have you had okonomiyaki before?
Paano? You know what? Probably not. Probably not because normally, kaya kong i-pronounce yung mga bagay na natikman ko na or nakain ko na yan. Hindi ko alam.
Ganun. Anyway, I promise you after this, you will be able to say okonomiyaki
Okay, I'll
because
try.
it is going to be good. And we are using the delectable pork dumpling of Goldilocks, which we call shumai.
Ayun naman pala eh. You know what? I'll save you the trouble and I'll just eat the whole bag of Goldilocks shumai. But of course, it doesn't work that way. It's a mashup.
And I promise you, I will show you my mad shumai skills with a shumai okonomiyaki.
Ganun ba? Well, I have no doubt that you will, Joanne. But before that, umay muna. And magic words.
Sure, go ahead.
Focus. Holy goodness. Wow. That is so good, Joanne. You know, I'm gonna have to correct you. You wanna know why?
Bakit?
Actually, hindi to okonomiyaki eh.
Ano?
It's actually okonomiyami.
See, I told you you will like it, and now you can even say it.
Oh, I can say it all right. Okay, Goldilocks shumai, presto changeo, Goldilocks shumai okonomiyaki.
So mga ka-nation, try our other shumai flavors, pork, teriyaki, sweet and spicy, and Korean, all available at Goldilocks locations.
That's right, mga ka-nation. Joanne, before we go, I just gotta say, it's really, really super sarap. Once again, you have made me believe in magic.
Good to hear. Join us again next time for another awesome recipe here on
Goldilocks Magical Mashups.
Goldie, good day!